all because of one thing: the looting of public funds, the plundering of national resources, and corruption, which is unguarded.
Has your heart been broken?
No, I remain strong. In fact, it's amazing. I was talking to my friend here, Jacob, sometime, that if these guys knew the mistake they made by taking us in there, because we've seen things that we only used to hear about and we were not sure about, but now we know and we can write authoritatively about those things.
Oppo, you've been a journalist all your time. Now they've banned you from Twitter. How is it going to be like for you?
I mean, it's part of dictatorships. That's how they operate. They disable you. The reason why I was put inside there is because I was with a lot of other journalists, including you guys. We were putting out information exposing corruption. So removing us from Twitter, it's another. Anyway, they've removed me from Twitter, but not from Facebook. So I will continue to write on Facebook, and now I will write also for local media. I'm going to write for local media about my experience in this prison.
You see, our resolve is unshakable after everything that we went through. One of the things we've learned is that we need even to do more as Zimbabweans, to unite, to come together and fight for our freedom and fight for a better nation. You know, a corrupt free nation and a corrupt free society is good for everybody. You know, a whole generation is lost in this corruption, in this madness. So we have a responsibility as citizens, we have a responsibility as countrymen to make sure that Zimbabwe becomes a better nation. So our way forward, we need to continue and make sure that we remain focused on the righteous path that we are in.